Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Expert. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful productivity tools for organizing ideas and boosting creativity. EdrawMind. Whether you're a student trying to structure study notes, an educator preparing engaging lessons, a researcher mapping out complex concepts, a project manager planning tasks, a marketer strategizing campaigns, a consultant presenting solutions, or even a study vlogger sharing tips with your audience. This tool is designed to make your workflow smarter and more efficient. So, if you're someone who wants to turn scattered thoughts into clear, structured, and actionable plans, stick around because this video is going to be super helpful. So, let's dive in and explore how EdrawMind can transform the way you study, plan, and work. First, let's download and install Wondershare EdrawMind. As soon as the installation is complete, you'll see an interface like this. Here you can see different options available in EdrawMind. Reading notes, creative mind map, basic education, advanced education, conference plan, project plan, and more. On the left side, under the gallery section, you'll find a wide variety of ready-made templates, perfect for study, business, project management, and personal planning. On the right side, there's a powerful toolkit packed with features such as one-sentence mind map generation, one-sentence slide generation, import files to instantly generate slides. Plus, you'll discover an impressive set of productivity tools like mind maps from documents, YouTube video summarizer, note mapping, OCR for text recognition, formula editor, task Kanban boards, Gantt charts for project scheduling. And that's not all. You also get access to AI creations and advanced image processing tools, making this platform a complete productivity powerhouse. Let's begin with a one-sentence mind map generation. All you need to do is type your topic in a single sentence and hit enter. In just a few seconds, the tool automatically generates a complete mind map for you. From there, you can fully customize it. Adjust font sizes, colors, and shapes. Change the layout, branch styles and connectors. Add topics, subtopics, and detailed notes. Apply themes, backgrounds, or even hand-drawn effects for a personalized touch. And once your mind map is ready, exporting is super flexible. You can save it as an image, a PDF, Excel sheet, PowerPoint slides, HTML page, SVG file, Word document, Markdown, TXT, or even as an MP4 video. Next, let's move on to PowerPoint slide generation. Simply click the Generate Slides button, select a cover page design, and the tool instantly transforms your mind map into a complete presentation. Each branch of your mind map is neatly converted into slide content, giving you a professional-looking presentation in just minutes, without the hassle of manual formatting. Now let's explore the AI file analysis feature. Here you can upload different types of files such as Word, PDF, PowerPoint, Excel, or TXT, and the AI will instantly process the content for you. But that's not all. There are multiple modes you can use: long text, simple prompt image, YouTube. Paste a YouTube link and the tool will summarize the video into clear notes or a mind map. As you can see, I've uploaded a PDF file, and within a few seconds, the AI analyzes it and converts the entire content into a well-structured mind map. Once your mind map is ready, you can instantly switch between different views. Outline view turns your map into a clean, text-based outline for easy reading. You can even change background colors. Kanban view, perfect for task and project management, where you can move tasks across columns. You can even change background colors, themes, and styles to match your preference. In slide view, your entire mind map is instantly turned into a presentation. With just one click, you can generate slides and even choose your favorite template design. This makes it super quick and convenient for classes, meetings, or study sessions. EdrawMind also comes with a built-in AI chat assistant. Here, you can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, or get topic suggestions directly within the app. It works just like a smart companion, helping you generate content, summaries, and creative ideas without needing to switch to another tool. This makes it super useful for students, educators, and professionals who want instant guidance while working on their mind maps. Another really useful feature is the AI translation tool. With just one click, you can translate your topics, notes, or entire mind maps into different languages. This is especially helpful for students, researchers, and professionals who work with global content or need to share their ideas with an international audience. EdrawMind also offers an AI image processing section packed with smart tools. Here you'll find options like Smart Cutout, Smart Remover, Photo Enhancer, and more. For example, when I click on Smart Cutout, it gives me multiple options to remove or isolate specific parts of an image. And with Photo Enhancer, I can simply upload a picture from my computer. And as you can see, the tool instantly improves the quality, giving a much clearer and sharper result. That's a quick overview of how powerful EdrawMind is for mind mapping, presentations, productivity, and even AI-powered tools like file analysis, translation, and image processing. Whether you're a student, educator, researcher, project manager, marketer, consultant, or a study vlogger, this tool can seriously boost your creativity and productivity. If you'd like to try it out, I've added the official link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Expert for more tutorials and AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.